Microvast battery surge, end of the rally or just the beginning? MVST.NAS report. Hello, this is top Trader Jinlog. You can conveniently view the full content along with charts on the blog. For continuous market analysis, feel free to subscribe or leave a comment. V.P.A.R chart explanation. This is Microvast, MVST.NAS, as requested for analysis. The circled areas in the past and present are potential short-term trend turning points. Consolidation coupled with an upward trend represents a trading entry point. Each chart has its own wave pattern trend. Currently, it is showing a state of convergence and good upward tension among the short-term, swing, and medium-term support and trend lines, displaying a positive upward wave. Consider trading near the short-term line, or if it breaks below the short-term line, consider potential buying points on dips around 2.9 or 2.4. Lightbulb investment opinion. Microvast continues to attract market attention thanks to its battery tech diversification, manufacturing expansion, and strong revenue recovery. 2-week return target, plus 1.5% right pointing arrow $5.09, probability 70%, 2-month return target, plus 8.9% right pointing arrow $6.24, probability 64%, 2-year long-term target, plus 140% right pointing arrow $10.05, probability 74%. 1. Summary. After short-term overheating, MVST is entering a technical cooldown. It has broken above a multi-year consolidation range. Revenue momentum and global demand remain positive catalysts. 2 bar graph V.P.A.R interpretation, visual phase alignment rhythm, blue circle monthly. Breakout from multi-year bottom base, $1.10 to $2. Yellow circle weekly, trend merge zone breakout, 2.50 to 2.90. Now consolidating, orange circle daily. Holding the $4 to $4.15 support zone, red circle 120 minute. Short-term momentum pullback and MACD convergence near re-acceleration conclusion. All chart layers realigned right pointing arrow potential breakout if volume confirms. 3. Upward trend RHYTHMIX rhythm analysis hourglass monthly breakout from long-standing base structure. First bullish candle above resistance room to expand towards $6. Downward trend weekly strong impulse candles followed by pullback MACD neutral. RSI cooling key support range. $3.95 to $4.10 stopwatch daily consolidation under dotted resistance zone sideways within $3.85 to $4.75 volume and OBV stable. Momentum easing 1 o'clock 120 minute technical consolidation right pointing arrow breakout setup MACD aligning for golden cross breakout above $4.30 would signal renewed momentum. 4. Moneybag financial overview. Q1 revenue $116.5 million plus 43.2% YoY. Net income $61.8 million right pointing arrow turned profitable. EBITDA $28.5 million per gross margin, 36.9% manufacturing base, US, Germany, China. 5. Warning news and risk summary. DOE grant cancellation event resolved. Signed supply deals with European OEMs. Over-reliance on Chinese production remains. Geopolitical risk, legacy volatility, still impacts investor sentiment. 6. Brain strategy scenario. Bullseye entry zone, $3.95 to $4.15 right pointing arrow support zone, near consolidation bottom. Probability 72%. Bullseye target zones. Target 1. $5.09. Probability 70%. Target 2. $6.24. Probability 64%. Long-term target. $10.05. Probability 74%. Fibonacci 1.618 extension prohibited stop loss or response break below $3.65 may invalidate rhythm structure right pointing arrow cut losses if volume plus trend line both break. Probability 78%. 7. Rainbow outlook. Emotional rhythm commentary. The shadows of the past were long, but light always rises from the deepest lows. Microvast has completed its technical reset and prepares for its second wave. Price shows speculation, but rhythm reveals conviction. 8. Puzzle piece deep dive report. Member-only Pushpin institutional flow. Vanguard and BlackRock reported fresh entries. Short interest declining, now approximately 8.4%. Pushpin AI forecasting. Danelfin AI score 0.7 buy bias expected 1 month outperformance probability 58.2%. Pushpin industry trends. Commercial EV battery competition heating up. High sensitivity to US EU battery subsidies. Pushpin analyst target price consensus range $5.70 to $6.80. Recent upgrades to strong buy.